wanted to talk about today is just about fundamentals. Fundamentals, that's when you trade news, how to trade news. Okay, I'll share with you guys my strategy and what do I use in trading news. Okay, firstly, I have three things. Okay, let me just share my screen with you first. Um, Okay, firstly, this is one of the news that the thing in new forex news that I use. I use investing.com just to check exactly to find out what is happening. Because if you're a trader, I believe that you must be well informed of what is happening in a trading industry. I use investing.com. I have an account here. At the same time, I use FX Street, FX Street. I mean. So yeah, that the one that I use as well. Why is so slow? Why my computer is so slow? Okay, this is the one that I use as well. Here you get the analysis, you get everything. Then from there, above that, from there, what I use to check what the thing, the news calendar now. What, where do I check? Cause yes, here FSC they do have a calendar. Investing.com they do have a calendar as well, but each and every day I go here, guys. I go here. Each and every day I go here on my Ferry calendar. Uh, Click here and just to check the news for the week. That what is happening on that week. So this is what I check. Like for instance, I know that this week this what's gonna be happening. So like on Wednesday, because what I noticed, or what I take to notice, to mind a lot, I can see that different colors folders here. The impact, it says here the impact. There's a yellowish, others they say orange. I'm colorblind, and there's a gray folder, and there's a red folder. The red folder is the one that I consider the most, because these news are the ones that have an impact of changing the currency, of moving the currency in a certain direction. So on Wednesday at 4 p.m., I know that there'll be the Canadian dollar might have an effect in terms of in the chart, might have an effect, which means at 3:30 I must stop, or not at 3:30, at 3 o'clock, or maybe at 1, I must not trade anything that has to do with a Canadian dollar. Why? Because anything is possible in that period. Okay, so I check here. Okay, and investing.com, sorry, investing.com tells me, keep on updating me on hourly basis, hourly, minutely. They tell me that they keep on updating, even FS Street, the analysis, everything. You get everything, every news that affect the economics of each and every currency. You get all those news there. So it helps me in terms of, before I start my trade, I check there, and after I go to Forex Factory, just to check my calendar. Here in my calendar, when you check here, this folder is red. You go to this folder here, details. You open the folder. Okay, the source, Bank of Canada. Okay, it has to do with the Bank of Canada. It tells you that, okay, the impact of the news is good for the currency, which means which means uh, the currency will be affected in a positive way, which means it's going to be good for the currency. So now you have an idea. At the same time, it shows you history here. It shows you history of what had happened before and what's been going on. Okay, it shows you history of what had happened. Sorry, yes, and from there, I'm fine. I'm good. You can read some of the stuff and just to familiarize yourself with it. Of okay, why traders care and blah blah blah. It got a lot of stories. So from there, when I know now that at 4 p.m. there'll be news, what I do, I go to my chart maybe 30 seconds before, 30 seconds before 4 o'clock here, because I'll do my own research as well, just to confirm if the news gonna be good for currency, and just to check on the history as well, if the news is really gonna be good for currency. Because if you check here, It always say the news is gonna be good for currency, but I don't remember where it says news gonna be bad for a currency. Yeah? It always say that. So it's my duty as a trader to do the research and check how good the news gonna be, and or if the news gonna be bad. Okay. From there, I'll go to my to my what do you call to my chart. Okay, let me just open. Okay, what is happening here? Okay, let me just do an example about this one. Okay, I'll go to my, because this is my demo anyway. So I'll go to my thing, to my chart. When you check here, this one was the is a gold. It was gold, and it was gold. Besides, it was a gold. Yeah, USD. Just gold. This has USD currency. Yeah, that pair. I mean, so what happened here? So when I heard that there were gonna be news, what I did, I came here. It was here. I came here, and I said, okay, let me just 30 seconds before I place the trade. What the trade? I said buy, check, because the market was going down. It was going down. When I was here, and I said buy, I bought here, and I took my stop. I set my stop loss as well. My stop loss. I think my stop loss was here. My stop loss. Why do I say set your stop loss? Just in case. Remember that we as traders, just retail traders, maybe have a 3.75% of the impact that we cause in a thing in a financial market. But these big banks and all these big financial institutions, they are the one who are in charge. They manipulate the banks, they manipulate the market. So they are the one who are in charge. So hence I put the stop loss there, just in case. Yes, just in case maybe I was wrong if I said the market's gonna go up. Yeah? So I put the stop loss here, and from there, okay, bought I bought here, and it was going negative. Okay, it's fine, it can go negative, I don't mind. But it was 30 seconds. At 4 o'clock, like a shooting star. Yeah. What do I do as well? Because this is easy money, guys. This is easy money. This is easy money. It's easy money. So what do I do as well, guys? Before, when I place my trade, in terms of the lot size, yeah? In terms of the lot size, you don't trade the news with the same lot size that you normally trade when you just place a normal trade. Yeah? You don't trade the news with that lot size. Because what did I do? Because my, in terms of my account is much bigger. So what did I do is, my lot size here going up. My lot size, I put my lot size, it was 50. It was 50, 0.50. It was 50. Going up, went up. Yeah? It's I placed two trades, 0.50, both of them going up, made money. When I got here, get out of the trade. Got my profit, get out of the trade. And what did I do? I wait for a few seconds to see what is happening. Is it still pushing? I knew this was not gonna push further than this, but I was just checking. And from there, okay, let me sell now. Because we are here. Ne? We are here. I said, okay, let me sell. It's an opportunity for me to sell. What did I do with my lot size? I made my lot size 1.001, going down, going down. When we got here, sorry, when we got here, no, it was here, yeah. I took my profit. Said no, enough is enough. Took my profit. And here again, when I check here, okay, I saw this one. Okay, that's okay. Now we're betting now, and I said, okay, let me place the trade because I've made money already here, big bucks. I've made money already here. Let me just reduce my lot size because now you must be wise when you're a trader. You must be wise. You don't want to lose everything that you've made. I said, okay, let me reduce my lot size here. It was 0.05. You know, plus the trade, I made money as well, and I was happy, and I was out, and my day was made. My day was made. So, guys, this is easy money in terms of trading the news. The thing is, you must be wise and you must manage your risk accordingly because you can blow your account as well here. I don't want to lie to you, you can blow your account, but this is easy money. This is easy money. See how many pips from here? How many pips from here? Oh, oh sorry. Oh, how many pips from here? start here. Okay, because I started here. So I think here, yeah, I think here. Why is it here now? Okay, maybe there's something happening here. I don't know what's happening. Okay, I think that's gonna give me what I want. Yeah. Maybe it's here. Oh no. Okay, no, I know because we're off. We're off. We're off. Okay, cool. Yeah. So sorry about that because it's Sunday today. It's Sunday today. I'm doing this video Sunday. Yeah. Sorry about that. Okay, cool. Sorry. Yeah. Hence, you see here, there's no movement. In terms of price, there's no movement. Yeah. Yeah. So yeah. So I think it was. I can't remember the pips. Maybe it was more than enough pips though. So yeah, this I made a lot of money. So this is easy money, guys. So yeah, it's all about trading in news. You can trade in news. Some of the people they call it fundamentals, still the same. You can trade in news, and it's very easy to trade in news. It's easy money, and it doesn't take a lot from you, and you don't have to think so much. And yeah, but the reason why I placed the trade 30 seconds before is because of the spread as well. You know that when you're about to play, because even the brokers they know that okay, now it's time for news, and their spread become much bigger, much higher. But anyway, it doesn't matter if you're gonna make a lot of money as well, so it doesn't matter anyway. So yeah, guys, it's all about that. What I can ask from you is just to subscribe on my channel. You can comment if you want to ask question. You can ask question, and yeah, we can help you as well. If maybe you're still new and you don't know anything about trading, at eForex will help you and teach you from A up to Z, to trade and be able to make money in the financial market. Although it's risky, but we'll teach you how to manage those risks as well. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Enjoy the rest of